Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well, being safe at home. So in this video, we're gonna discuss how to use how long have you. How long have you is a present perfect tense. So before starting the video, I would love to tell you that guys, if you have entered the video, please watch it till last because this video is not gonna waste your any single minute. It's very useful for you people. And one more thing, before starting the video I should tell you how to use how long have you in a small brief. Like हिंदी में हम लोग ने ये सेंटेंसेस तो बहुत यूज़ करे होंगे कि तुम कब से वहाँ रह रहे हो, तुम कब से वहाँ जाते हो, तुम कब से यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हो, राइट. बट ये सेंटेंसेस हमको इंग्लिश में नहीं पता, तो इसको अगर हमें इंग्लिश में बोलना है तो हम बोलेंगे हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन वर्किंग हेयर, how long have you been staying there, how long have you been in Ireland, how long have you been in England, anywhere, any place. So छोटा सा ब्रीफ था कि how long have you basically होता क्या है. So don't stop the video here, only watch it till end. So without wasting any more minute, let's get started with the video. As you can see on the screen, some examples are given, like Jill is on holiday in Ireland, she is there now, right. She arrived in Ireland on Monday. Today is Thursday. So how long has she been in Ireland? तो basically how long have you या how long has she been, ये यूज़ होता है कि हमें किसी चीज़ को like कैसे, कब से तुम वहाँ पे हो, कब से कोई चीज़ हो रही है, कोई चीज़ पहले से हो रही है, ठीक है. शी हैज़ बीन इन आयरलैंड सिंस मंडे फॉर 3 days. लाइक यू कैन सी ऑन पिक्चर ऑल्सो हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन इन आयरलैंड सिंस मंडे. नाउ लेट्स कंपेयर is and has been. What's the difference between is and has been? Can't we use is here? Let's see. She is in Ireland, that is now. If I say she is in Ireland, as you can see on the screen, तो इसका मतलब इसी टाइम पे वो है. Now if I say she has been in Ireland, has been, that is since Monday for 3 days she is in Ireland, मतलब 3 दिन से है. That is has been is present perfect and is used for present, right. is जब भी हम यूज़ करेंगे तो वो हम present के लिए यूज़ करेंगे और has been present perfect के लिए, right. Now let's compare further. Now present simple and present perfect simple, that is have been, had lived, have known. नाउ देखते हैं डिफरेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सिंपल के सेंटेंसेस में क्या डिफरेंस है. मार्क एंड लिज आर मैरिड, दे हैव बीन मैरिड फॉर 5 years. सो डिफरेंस पता चला. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में वो कह रहा है मार्क एंड लिज आर मैरिड, वो मैरिड है, हमें इतना पता चल गया. बट जो सेकेंड सेंटेंस है वो हमें क्या बता रहा है, दे हैव बीन मैरिड फॉर 5 years. वो 5 years से मैरिड है, 5 साल पहले से मैरिड है, राइट. But you cannot say they are married for 5 years, because if you say they are married for 5 years, so for 5 years का मतलब होगा यार कि वो सिर्फ 5 साल के लिए शादी की है उन्होंने. So this will be a wrong sentence. So instead of saying this, you would say they have been married for 5 years, right. Next, are you married? So if I'll make it in present perfect, so how long have you been married, but you cannot say how long are you married. So these are the small things which you have to pay attention on what you have to pay attention carefully so that you could speak it correctly. Now next is, do you know Sarah? How long have you known her? But you cannot say how long do you know her, ठीक है. I know Sarah, I have known her for a long time, right. Linda lives in London. How long has she lived in London? We can say she has lived there all her life, right. I have a car. How long have you had your car? So I have had it since April. So here what you're going to do is you're going to read these carefully and understand the difference between them so that you could also speak it correctly. Now ऊपर वाला जो बॉक्स था वो था प्रेजेंट सिंपल का. नाउ वी हैव प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस, दैट इज हैव बीन प्लस ing. दिस इज द रूल ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. आई एम लर्निंग जर्मन. हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन लर्निंग जर्मन, राइट. बट यू कैन नॉट से हाउ लॉन्ग आर यू लर्निंग जर्मन. दिस फॉर्मेशन विल बी रॉन्ग. I have been learning German for 2 years. David is watching TV. How long has he been watching TV? He's been, or he has been, is the same thing, watching TV since 5 o'clock, right? It's raining. It's raining. Yeah, it has been. Both are same, raining all day. So this was all about how long have you been. I hope you got how to use how long have you been, something which is happening from past and continuing now also. Like, we have made a lot of sentences on this, like how long have you been there, how long have you been studying here, how long have you been, married and all. So this was all about how long have you been. In the next video we're gonna do the some more exercise and questions of how long have you been. So stay connected, guys. If you really learn something, don't forget to share it with your friends. Do like the video, subscribe the channel, and see you soon in the next video. Till the time, thank you for listening.